Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn up to 1 Bitcoin every single day if you stick to the strategy. I'm actually in the process of doing this method myself, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some passive income with this method. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So first off, I'm going to be talking about Crypto Tab browser. Now don't exit out of this video yet, guys, because I'm going to show you something that you have not seen before. Now this is something that's really interesting, but first I'm going to show you the method and the strategy right now. So as you can see right here, look at my referral system. I have over 2,000 referrals on this account right here, guys. So let me go to that really quick so I can show you proof that I'm actually in the process of doing this, and I already tested this out myself, so keep watching this video. So as you can see right here, guys, total 2,523 referrals. I only referred 106 people. Now this is really interesting real quick, because these 106 people referred total together 1,546. Those level 2 people referred 500 people. Those level 3 people referred 271 people. So you can see how the system is working. Now keep watching this video, guys, because I'm going to show you the reason why I'm actually enjoying Crypto Tab browser more than anything, because it mines with the Monero coin. So it's not mining with Bitcoin, it's mining with Monero, which is another cryptocurrency. But what this cryptocurrency is going to be converted into Bitcoin for us to actually earn our Bitcoin. Now this has been paying out. So guys, there's a lot of people saying that Crypto Tab browser is not paying out, but they are paying out still. And I already withdrew around $56 total, and I only invested on this platform to mine on my mobile devices. You do not have to do this. You can just do the strategy that I'm about to show you. But I have earned $56, and I only spent around $30 for 3 phones to mine passively for me. So I'm already in profit around $20. So I already got my ROI back. So from this point forward, everything that I'm earning from Crypto Tab browser is pure profit, and I'm going to be reinvesting it back inside of this business model that I'm about to show you right now. So I already showed you all the referrals that I have. I'm going to show you how you can actually start to earn your level 1 referrals. I'm going to show you a website, a brand new website that not a lot of people know about, that's actually going to help you get these referrals and help you get the logins. So keep watching this video, guys. So as you can see right here, this is the website. This is called Crypto Pros. It is a really simple and easy website that you can use right now to get started making some cryptocurrency, getting some referral logins. So you're not just going to be putting ads in front of people. These people have to actually log in to or sign up for that one website, whatever you're promoting, and that's whenever it's going to count as an advertisement. So this is a really unique website because you actually get referrals from logins, guys. So they have to log in on that ad that is promoted on Crypto Pros, and look at the name of the website. It is called Crypto Pros. So this is a really insane website, just based off of they have to log into the actual advertisement in order for it to actually count. So now let's keep continuing on with this video and showing you more inside of this, because I have actually started to do this method and it is working wonders for me. So let's go over here to my team really quick and show you can actually buy these bronze ad packs. So with bronze ad packs, it's only going to cost like $1 or $2 in order for you to get started with this. So let's go to finance real quick. It says purchase bronze ad pack, and you can see it's around $2 per bronze ad pack. Let's go over here real quick. Let's go to my team, and on top of that, purchasing these ad packs, you're going to get referrals, pretty much like direct or downline referrals. So you can see I got 3 referrals right here, and this is for me just purchasing 3 ad packs, the bronze ad packs, and you can see I'm almost up to 10 cents from the first user. So this is a really interesting website that not a lot of people know about, but the cool thing about this is coming over here to the finance and purchasing this platinum subscription, and as you can see, it's around $50 every 30 days to activate the subscription. But the cool thing about this, and don't exit out of this video, guys, this is something really insane, and I just got through telling you, you can actually come over here to the advertise and have people actually log into any ad that you promote, and that's the only time it's going to count, whenever you actually get somebody to log in. So they have to sign up in order for it to count towards your subscription, but it is a subscription. You're going to get an unlimited amount of impressions, so that's an unlimited amount of people logging in to any of your sites. So it says click here to view platinum login ads, and you can see that all right here. All of this information, it's simple, easy, and straightforward, and it has to do with cryptocurrency. So a lot of people on this site are looking for cryptocurrency websites and you don't see anything about CryptoTab browser. So if we come over here to the FAQ real quick, you can see all of the information down here. So for spending $2 on the bronze pack, you can see right here in the FAQ, what do I get by purchasing a CryptoPro.biz? So each bronze pack provides a number of 14-day banner ad, text ad. So you're gonna get 14 days of unlimited, or platinum subscription provides unlimited view, text, and banner ads that never expire if the subscription remains active. The member receives a new banner and text ad with each subscription renewal. I only purchased the bronze pack. I'm actually about to purchase the subscription, the platinum subscription, and you can already see that I have over 100 and let's see, I have over 106 referrals from just the bronze package alone. So guys, this is a really unique way you can actually start to earn passive income with this new website. So my actual philosophy on this whole method is getting as much referrals under my first level as possible and then growing from there. So getting the money outside of CryptoTab browser, taking it over to a different website and a different crypto website and start investing it and then start to grow that cryptocurrency instead of just spending it, taking it out outside of crypto and selling it and turning it into fiat. So get started with this method, guys. If you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25. which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.